Hi guys! Today I got a lot of cool fun stuff. So we're gonna be unboxing it together and know what are these stuffs. So let's go! So first this crazy thing, okay, look. This, you don't know this. And then no, it's glowing. I'm gonna show you a short video about the glowing at night, okay? This is so cute. Even here there's inside a small pond right here. It's so cute. You have to get it. Okay. I just no. Because then, now let's go to the next thing. This we call it in our language, by the way, this is here. It's called bulbul. Bulbul. What is it? Comment below, and if you know them. If you don't know it, just see at this video. Look. Let's go back. No, again. Sorry, guys. Look at it.
That's where we will be starting.
It colors up. This is so cool. Oh my god. Let's do another one. A cooler one. So let's do it. This is a cool one. Oh my god. Okay, you have to get this bulbul. Okay, now do the third product. If you don't know about these slimes, go check out my video that how to make a slime in Alien Star World and see how to do it. So fun. Look, makes bubbles. Look, this is the best slime. You don't have to buy, just follow the steps. Go and check the video. Look, this is so satisfying. I love playing with this slime. Today I did it. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a magical thing. I'm so happy that I got these tops actually. Today I went to the mall. Look, this is so good. Again. Are you here?
وخلينا نبدا بهذه الحلقه من البدايه بكل صراحه عن شيء جدا مهم وكل يوم تشوف ناس عم بتحاول تبدا بزنس اونلاين وبتعمل نفس الغلطه بشكل مكرر تفتح حساب على السوشيال ميديا.
This is so fun. Look, it's a stretch.
انه هيدا مش تسويق، هيدا امل. التسويق الحقيقي هو انك تفهم مين الشخص اللي عم تحكي
Even
شو مشاكله، شو اللي بخليه يفتح الفيديو
makes
تبعك
it bigger.
بدل ما يكمل عم يتصفح على السوشيال ميديا. وانا اليوم الحلقه رح احكي لك بالضبط كيف
Wow. Okay, so now let's move on to the fourth product. This is the fourth product. It's a whistle. Even look. Wow, look at that. This is so cool. You have to get it. It's so cute. And it has this so we can put it on our neck. So now fifth product. This keychain. So cute. Cute. This is so cute actually. Look at it. I'm gonna put this on my school bag. So cute. Okay, now it's actually so cute. You have to get these. I love it. I love it. Okay, now the sixth product. We have a lot going on, guys. What is that? It said actually air squishy. Just like these funny ones. I got one because it's so cool. Look like even do like this. Wait, like. No, wait. get a bigger one.
اللي صارت اللي غيرت كل شيء لما استوعبت
Even colors up.
بس قوي ليه السوشيال
Woo.
ميديا منها بنتي انا يعني انا عم ببني بيت على الارض للابراج انا كمان عم بستقبل الارض سوى
We have a lot going on today.
المنصات مملوكه لشركات ثانيه اللي بيتحكموا بالخوارزميين
Look. You can even put one. I put one. Look. Where is it? I cannot find it. This is so good. Okay, look. I had a squishy. I did a video with this. Okay. And then this squishy got ruined. So I got another one, but that one was better. But it's okay. It's okay. It's just squishy. Stretchy squishy. Now to the seventh product. Before the last, I think so. I think so. Wait, let me check. Okay, sorry guys. Now the last product. This. Oh my god. Let's see what is this. Okay, I don't know what is this, but let's try to see about it. Let's open it. Oh yeah, from here. I don't know, I got it, okay? Oh, never mind. It's a puzzle. Yeah, it's okay. It's still good. Let's try it out. Still happy though. Oh no, they're notes. Sticky notes. These are notes? Yeah. Mama, طلعت هيدا sticky notes. شوفي؟ Look. It's actually so cute. Okay, not that bad, not that bad. At least I got cinnamon because who likes cinnamon? Comment below because I love cinnamon. Because guys, by the way, sorry for not like starting new videos because just like these days we have exams. And you know guys, because we're almost finishing school, and by the way, you need to check out, we're still not doing it, but we're gonna do a summer holiday together and we're gonna get out and get some stuff and like have fun. Maybe that's what happened. If we could, at the summer holiday, maybe I'll go tell you. I cannot tell you now, maybe, you never know. You wanna know? Okay, maybe these days I won't like install new videos, but it's okay, still study. Full marks. Hey guys, so sorry. I'm gonna unbox it in class. Okay. By the way, you guys like the unboxing stuff that my friends got me them, صح? Comment below that. And don't forget to wow. Can I say it now? Yeah, no, never mind. Thank you. Yeah. Cute. That. Okay. Look. Cute. Alhamdulillah. By the way, now it's 10 and I'm vlogging this. Just bored, you know guys. Okay. So now, I'll kill for what? Okay. Okay, now, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Wait a moment. Thank you for watching. Bye. And then I went.